Traveling has been my driving force in life for the last 5 years. Whether it's by sea on my sailboat, or by land in my camper van and motorcycle, my sense of adventure has always acted as my compass. Subscribe to become a part of the journey and experience all the beautiful places and people I encounter along the way. Now we are about to pull up the hook again and head over to Mayaguana, which is going to be our last spot in all of the Bahamas before we shoot off to our next country. So it's going to be about a 21-hour sail, so it'll be kind of a full overnight, and then we'll arrive there tomorrow morning. It'll be these guys' first full overnight passage. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I'm excited. I think it's going to be good. The wind's looking good. So yeah, here's to hoping it goes a little smoother than the last one. Are you ready to rumble?
Yes, let's go.
Woo!
Woohoo!
We are on our way, ladies and gentlemen. What do we think of this, guys?
We are officially sailing.
Hell yeah!
I think our second leave went a lot better than day one.
Yep.
So far, no issues.
Yep.
All is
What
good.
else can you say?
Everybody's feeling good. I'm not feeling like I'm gonna puke, so that's a good thing.
Not yet.
Yeah, that's ideal.
The wind's just kind of slightly behind us. What is it, like 12, 13 knots?
Yeah, 13, 14 knots.
And we're doing, we were doing almost 7 knots earlier. We slowed down a little bit now. But yeah, I mean, you couldn't ask for better conditions than this.
It's a beautiful day. What are they doing over there on Lost?
I don't know, but I just realized I got a cap on, but damn, they're close.
All right, everyone, I am super excited to share something with you that I've been desperately needing for a while now. And it is this beautiful set of Kamikoto knives used by Michelin star chefs all over the world. These knives are made with high quality Japanese steel using traditional techniques. The knives come in this stunning heavy-duty ashwood box, which makes it a great gift idea, especially with Christmas coming up. To honor the Japanese steel that these knives are crafted with, the first meal that I'm going to be making with them is ramen. It's not the best, but I'm going to be making it the salty sailor way and spice it up a little bit from just your normal packaged stuff. I'm actually super impressed. It's gliding through it like butter. Each knife is individually inspected and comes with a lifetime guarantee. To have good tools to work with, I find it actually makes me excited to cook instead of it seeming like a chore. Kemikoto is currently running a massive Black Friday sale, and they're offering my viewers an extra $50 off any purchase on top of their special offers. Just use discount code Taylor. It makes a great Christmas gift, so go to kemikoto.com/Taylor to get your knife set and help support the channel. Good morning. It was a bit of a hands-on full night. It was good. We didn't do too much filming just because we were a little bit busy. For the first half of the night, we were just sailing along really nicely with, the full sails out, and then it picked up a little bit later on in the night, and the autopilot was having trouble keeping up because it was so shifty and gusty. So I had to hand steer for a little while, and yeah, just between everybody trying to get sleep and steering the boat and doing their watches, it was full on. But I think we all did very good as a team, and now we're rolling up on Mayaguana. Well, it's our first steps on land in quite a few days. We figured we'd go for a little adventure, see what we can find here on Mayaguana. And so far it's not looking like much, but we brought the scooters because it might be a little bit of a long trip, but we've only got 3. So me and Nellie are going to be doubling up on this one, and hopefully I don't kill you.
That's okay. We'll make it work.
I'm sorry in advance if anything happens to you. Okay. Gotta give us a couple kicks here.
Okay.
Here we go. Hold on. Hold on! Okay, bumpy patch, bumpy patch.
Bumpy patch, bumpy patch, bumpy patch. We got this, we got this, we got this, we got this.
Dude, he's got the Yami on that one.
Oh yeah, this guy's got the fresh 2 Honda, and by fresh I mean 1992, but...
Okay. We look like the biggest squad of mobsters right now.
Yeah, we will.
Scooter lane for the boys. What are you doing back there?
Oh dear. Speed wobble. Speed wobble. Oh shit.
Oh fuck. Oh, right on it.
Some of you might have noticed a few shots in this episode where AJ was repping some of my Taylor's Travels merch, so I figured I'd take a moment to show you all the Taylor's Travels shop. I worked really hard on creating the website and the designs myself, so it would mean the world to me if you took a moment to check it out. There are quite a few different styles and designs made for men, women, and even children, as well as many unisex styles available in a variety of colors. If you check out the accessories page, you can find some pretty cool stuff, including keychains, playing cards, and stickers. One of the benefits of becoming a patron is you also get discounts on merch. The higher the tier level, the higher the discount. Patrons also get benefits like early access to videos and exclusive content. A very special thank you to everyone who has become a part of the Patreon crew and supported me over the years.